Hello, just a short video to show you that I've pulled the whole Hovergames drone apart for a complete rebuild. I've turned the power distribution board over and just noticed this. See the white residue? It's kind of around there. There's kind of big build-ups of it. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is clean it off and maybe put some kind of silicone cover over it. Doesn't seem to be much on this side, you can sort of see it, but yeah, definitely on this side it's a build up and it's kind of looks like it's corroding maybe. So I've had lots of crashes, but only on grass. I don't know what that could even be. I've been googling it. It looks like it's some kind of common thing that happens to electronics when they use a certain type of flux or something. So anyway, if you own a drone, have a look out for that.